how to get the $100 off coupon on Temu. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, go ahead and open Temu, and then from there tap on your cart in the bottom right here. You should have some products there. Tap on checkout. Once this page loads up, go ahead and scroll down and then tap on apply coupon code right here. In this area you should paste that code. So let's see how to get it. Quit Temu app and go to your browser and search for grab codes now and enter the first website that pops up. In the search box, search for Temu and enter this button right here. And right here you should find that coupon code. Tap on claim now, wait for a couple of seconds. They will give you the code, but it's going to be hidden right there. Tap on verify to unlock it. So from there you should complete an offer or a survey, and once you're done, the code will be unlocked and you can copy it and go back to your Temu app just like that and paste your link right here, and the $100 will be deducted from the total. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.